Welcome, my loves. I'm getting straight to the recipe, and we're starting with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. I got 1 yellow onion that is chopped, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1.5 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, or you can use fenugreek powder. Add all those ingredients to the boiling water, then quickly remove from the heat. Now the liquid will have to cool, so I like to leave mine overnight, or you can do for a few hours, but for me, the longer it steeps, the better. Once the hair juice is cooled down, you can even kick it up a notch and go ahead and blend up all the ingredients together, but just make sure you strain it before you apply it to your hair. So in this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways that I'm going to be using the hair juice. And of course, you guys can go ahead and use it in any order that you like. For me, the first step, I'm using it as a Prepoo. Now, Prepoo, for the unfamiliar, is just a preconditioned step to your hair before you cleanse. So anyone that has dry, tangled hair or hair that sheds easily, or if you want an extra boost of condition to your hair, a Prepoo can be done by anyone. I spray the hair juice from roots all the way down to the ends. I smooth it in, detangle, and massage my scalp, which is very important. You want to get that blood flow working. You can even add a conditioner or a deep conditioner on top for extra moisture, because who doesn't like extra moisture? The onions and the cloves are great for hair growth and for minimizing hair loss. It will also help to repair and strengthen your hair and also to add shine. But the fenugreek, which is the star of the hair juice, contains components that are beneficial against hair loss, and it will help to treat your dandruff and any dry scalp issues that you have, because I know I got them. It helps to moisturize your hair, giving it better luster and bounce. It helps with baldness and thinning hair, so go ahead and massage it into your scalp and allow your follicles to drink it up. I'm going to sit with it on my scalp for about 1 hour to an hour and a half. Then I just jump into the shower and I do a shampoo and a quick condition. The second way I use the fenugreek juice, I'm going to apply it as my leave-in. So after I rinse out my conditioner, I apply it all over my scalp, and then I follow up with a DIY leave-in conditioner that I made myself that also has fenugreek in it, and that gets worked throughout my hair. And then here is my finished look. My hair is looking shiny it is washed, it's hydrated and moisturized. And I styled my wash and go with the fenugreek hair juice, the DIY leave-in, and my Jamaican black castor oil, which is one of my top oils, and then the Alake Naturals creme brulee. So that is all for the video. It's quick and easy recipe, but super beneficial for our hair. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.